But you asked me in that list about, what's the best way to live life?
Yeah, that was
So
the
let me
next
jump.
question.
Yeah, let me jump to that. As you know, I don't tell people how to live their lives.
Mm,
That's not my job. I tell people, I invite people and facilitate people to become conscious for themselves of what's true, period. How
mm,
you live is up to you. Say, I don't recommend. Now, standing on that, that's the disclaimer. Okay. So standing on the disclaimer, see, I say, look, what's the best way to live your life? Social. It's the same criteria that's been handed down by uh, Jesus, Buddha, whoever. Say it's like that. It's adopt the principles that work. Love works because of the environment it creates. Acceptance, honesty, work, right? Treating each other well works, etc. These things, right? It's not rocket science. Everybody knows.
mm,
What would really work to have a healthy relationships and healthy life, healthy shared community. It's just that we've got this whole other world called selfish, and we are very attached to that because at the root of that selfish is self.
mm.
And all these principles I'm talking about the best way to live life, there's no self, or I should say it another way, self is included, but it's not the main thing. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
See? Like honesty kicks ass to self. See? It doesn't serve self, it serves itself. It serves honesty. And so when we adopt those principles, life works much more powerfully and effectively and much more healthy, mentally, physically, etc. Right? You see what I'm saying?
Mhm.
See, it's like Buddha, he started off not talking, but then he got to talking. And then, pretty quick in there, according to legend, he never wrote anything down. We don't have any podcasts running. So you started saying, look, do these things, to have the right thinking, right livelihood, do the right thing, etc. The same kind of deal. See, do those things because you guys are just fucking ignorant. And so at least do those things that you'll create a good community, a good life.
Right.
Okay, Jesus, same kind of deal, right? Love thy neighbor.
Mm,
You want to know, what shall we be like? Be like the Good Samaritan, the stranger, the foreigner who helped out somebody who wasn't of his own, that everybody in that tribe despised. And he helped them
mm,
be him, be like that. So,
mm,
it's a good, whatever story, to remember the principle involved there.
mhm,
Like I said, you and I would help anybody that, needed help.
mm,
Anyway, see, those things, it's obvious,
mhm.
right? Now,
Yeah.
the thing is, though, those are all survival issues. They don't cater to the self aspect, the selfish aspect solely. They cater to a different kind of reality, right? But see, none of them are the truth.
Mm,
They're just better ways to live. They're principles to live by.
mm.
See, and people confuse that. Oh, you're
Um,
enlightened, therefore you must do this, this, and this, and
mm.
you have to talk like this, and you got to be like that, or whatever.
All right.
No, you don't. No,
Mm,
see, there's no rule book at all, because enlightenment isn't anything at all.
mm,
See, enlightenment. The one thing I didn't turn off. Anyway, enlightenment isn't. It's about the truth. So enlightenment is about the truth. It's not about you. It's not about how you live. It's not about what it can do for you. You understand? It's
mm,
about itself. It's about whatever is true, what's absolutely true, period.
mm,
That's all. And people keep trying to what's it going to do for me?
mm,
Wrong. See, wrong motivation. They grasp what's true. Like all this stuff we've been having conversation for quite a while. We've been having this conversation, right? All this stuff that I talk about, that you really like that. Where does that come from? It's coming. I got enlightened, and all of a
mm,
sudden I knew all this shit. No, but it helps. Okay. See, enlightenment clears the decks because it allows you to see that none of it is real.
Mm.
So you can now start grasping what is being created, what is, what do we call reality, what, et cetera, perception, survival, self, et cetera, see what I'm saying? But that takes more work. But again, you got a new book that's going to come out.
Thanks for watching. Taste Ralston's wisdom for yourself. Ralston didn't obtain his wisdom by watching videos. Join him in doing this work. Please check the links in the description.